mocking up the Volvo engine. I'm gonna hopefully finish the subframe in the Prelude. And the charger needs an oil change. Once again, very busy. But first of all, we gotta stop at Home Depot, pick up some supplies. Alright, we have made it to the shop. Here I have the oil for the charger, the Prelude, and the filter for the charger. And down there, I have some scrap steel I'm going to use to fix my under the car cart, whatever you call that, a creeper. I fix the creeper, and I'm gonna use some scraps from that to try and push those bushings out. Alright, so you can see on this board I've busted out this bottom, and it's just had me just dragging it back and forth. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo this screw, just slide that metal slab up through here, hold itself up, cut my leftovers, and then put that screw back in, hopefully.
Are you going to use both of these pieces?
Just grab the hot side. I'm going to use this bigger one. That one's going to use help press my bearings. Okay, there we go. That should do the trick. Okay, so my strategy to press these bearings out, I'm going to take my C-clamps, this scrap piece of metal, and this big coupler bolt. I'm going to drop my bolt, this bearing, this scrap piece of metal. I'm just going to hook my C-clamps to that and just press it. Hopefully that works.
That was scary.
Yep. I think that pretty much affirms that's not going to come out. Yep, bushings aren't coming out. We're just going to have to replace the entire arm. That by itself will be interesting. This is stupid. Okay, leaving Ace. Got our wrenches, our bolts, and Sarah got popcorn. Because that's just who she is. I'm going to lose my mind.
Doesn't that fit?
No.
Does it fit and you just can't turn it enough?
Like it doesn't slip in. This is so stupid. I hate this car. So to take this arm off, we need those Torx bits. Those are 15mm. Sarah's running to Home Depot to grab those now. And on this arm, we have to get this front arm just super stuck, the strut tower bolt, which is almost out, and this lower ball joint bolt, which is hidden under this dust shield. So we're going to need to take apart our brakes and pull that dust shield off so we can get into that bolt. Alright, got brakes off, which gives us access to this dust shield. We can probably just pull the bolts off that enough to pull it out and be able to access that bolt underneath the dust shield that we need to pull that last control arm off. And when Sarah gets back with some Torx sockets, we can hopefully take the second arm off. So it looks like we're going to have to do things the hard way. I unbolted this dust shield. It's completely behind the hub. So unless I take the entire hub off, dust shield's not coming off. So what I'm going to end up doing, I'm just going to take the dust shield, bend it out of the way, undo the bolt, put the new arm in, bend it back. So I got Sarah over here doing oil change and working on bushings and arms over here. This is your oil filter. There you go.
Is it going to pour out oil there too?
It will drip a bit. Just like that. Alright, so Dad and Sarah are going to go pick up parts for those arms. I'm going to start putting together this subframe. So we're almost done. I'm just going to throw that together and be set to go. Subframe, and about half of my arms are in. So far things are going pretty good. While I'm waiting for them to come back, I'm gonna fill up the Prelude with oil. So I dumped it out yesterday fixing that bolt, and And you guys voted, and the result is we're going to take these stickers off. Some of these stickers were clearly designed to not come off once they went on. So much so I've even stabbed myself, as you've seen. Chris, shut up.
Yeah.
And look at this sticker. Specifically a sticker that shows you where his YouTube channel is. Alright. Prelude is full of oil. Try and drop that there. Now we're just hanging out the Volvo. Figuring out what to get done next. Okay, end arm going on the new arm.
Start filming this, walk away with it.
Yep, thank you. There. I've now rearranged the shop to my liking. And right now I don't really like it. Okay. Volvo's in. Move it over. There's a ton of walking space over here now. The front end is tucked over there. Best part is, while the Prelude will be out of here, when we're ready to put the engine in, we just pull it out, turn it back in here a little bit, and we got all of that space to put the engine in the shade where it's nice and cool. We can work more productively over a longer period of time. But okay, turn the Volvo around. My arms hurt. Sweet, Chris got me a razor blade. Go ahead and finish the stickers. Starting to get low on battery, so I'm going to save you guys from when you put the subframe in. But we'll get those stickers off and we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, arms are in. We're just putting together the last couple of things. Mount the muffler again. And we're back in business. Alright guys, we did it. Subframe and arms are all in. It's good to go. We're going to throw the wheels back on and we're going to see if it'll still start. Alright. Remove the jack stands. Here you go.
Alright.
Thank you. There we go. The first time in like a month, the Prelude's back on the ground. Oh jeez.
Yeah, that tire's crazy.
Camber gang.
Okay, you know what? That's probably fine. That's whatever.
It's not as bad as it was when it drove in here.
That's true. It's better.
Push it back in.
Is your key set to on?
Now it is.
There you go.
Okay. We'll just roll it out by hand. Could use a good wipe down, but it's out. It looks good. We're gonna go ahead and give it a jump, see if it'll start. I'm really happy with myself. Prelude's awesome. Pretty much what I had planned for today, so. Is that you or me? That noise over there. Whatever, we'll figure it out. Either way, I'm about out of battery and the time, but thank you guys for watching. If you like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.